In the blink of an eye, information travels through our minds. From curated news to live threads, podcasts to breaking stories, and even AI-generated content. In the blink of an eye, the world observes, learns, and grows. All people of all generations are hungry for knowledge and a deeper understanding. Yes, in the blink of an eye. But are all eyes the same? And do they seek to consume information in the same way? From the silent generation to Gen Alpha, news publishers are now tasked with the most challenging of questions. How can news engage audiences across different generations? After the successes of our previous Digital Growth Summits, presenting the much-awaited Twipe Digital Growth Summit 2023, a captivating live interactive experience that gathers the top media innovators from across the globe to shape the future of the news industry in classic Twipe fashion. With 150 participants, the energy will be simply electrifying. A wow-worthy CEO panel, interactive deep dive sessions exploring topics like reader preferences, habit development, and product innovation. Our Looking to the Future section featuring a digital panel, the edition of the future, and news media engagement through generative AI. An inspiring keynote session by Peter Hinson. Meet Arist von Alp, Julie Lelièvre, Kirsi Hakaniemi, Jean-Marc Billon, Thomas Schulz-Homburg, Peter Kagerberg, and Emily Nonkamp. Join us in the vibrant heart of Europe, Brussels, on September 26th. Register now and let's shape the future of news together. Twipe, excellence delivered.